I just want to make something.
Okay, here's how you install and use this video overlay. As you can see, I'm just choosing one of the 10 BOKAH fireworks. This one looks good, so I'm just gonna drag and drop that in. I've got some example footage. But first, I'm just gonna resize this. There we go. And then here's the important part. Use screen in blend mode. And as you can see, all the black is gone and just your cute little lights are left over. From there, maybe just mess with the opacity a little bit. If you don't want it to stand out as much. Yeah, that looks good. Other than that, I don't know, flip it around horizontal, mess with the rotation. There's a lot of things you can do, change it up. Yeah, enjoy. Download link in the description.